Hi everyone, I am Nancy, and as promised, we are back with another helpful walkthrough. Today's video is all about guiding you through the LMS admin feature in FlexiEle. Whether you are setting up training session, enrolling learners, or managing attendance, this guide covers it all. The LMS admin will provide with three features: configure learning, training session, and training request. First, we will start with configure learning. To initiate a new course, click the New button. The process involves several steps, beginning with course detail. In this step, the course administrator must enter in essential information such as course name, catalog, course, eligibility group, training mode, whether the course is mandatory, enrollment type, course duration unit, course duration, course validity duration, re-enrollment duration in days, description, detailed description, and any specific keywords related to the course content. Within the course details section, there is also an area for certificate setting. Here, the administrator can select the course created and enter the author's name and ensure a thumbnail is created for the course. By scrolling down, the administrator will find the course gamification section. In this part, details regarding the evaluation process after course completion are required. Information such as points on completion, completion requirements, and course published status must be provided. At the end of the form, there are three options available to proceed, which are publish, unpublish, or submit. Moving forward in the course chapter, you can conveniently add individuals chapter to the course, along with their respective descriptions to ensure a structured and comprehensive learning experience. In the learning steps section, you are required to define the learning steps such as pre-assessment, post-assessment, or feedback based on the course structure. Following that, select the appropriate assessment questionnaire from the available options on the drop-down menu. You must also specify the minimum passing marks and the maximum number of attempts allowed for the assessment. In the course competency, add the competency and competency level for the available drop-down menus. A checkbox to mark the competency as active will also be provided. Attachment section is for uploading study materials. In the logistics, if it is an offline course, the organization may also provide other stationery items by selecting them from the drop-down menu. Now we have two options left under course details: technical setup and course prerequisite. In technical setup, select the type. In course prerequisite, choose the prerequisite type and prerequisite status and add a comment if necessary. This is how you can create a course. After these steps, the course will be reflected under course name, course code, active, published, and action. Through the action option, you can edit the course detail. The second step in configuring learning is creating a learning path. After clicking on create new learning path and entering the required details such as learning path name, description, and uploading a thumbnail image, click submit. A new learning path will be created. From this screen, you can also add a new course. After creation, the data will appear in the learning path, active, date created, and action. To create a new trainer for an existing course, click on New. Based on the type of trainer selected, the form will display different fields. If you are adding an external trainer, you will need to enter details such as course certified for, trainer name, email, phone number, and vendor. In case of internal trainer, the required fields include employee full name, backup phone number, and course certified for. Once the information is submitted, the data will appear under trainee name, internal or external, course name, and action. The action columns allow you to view the details of the trainer that has been created. After completing the previous stage, the next step is to create a venue from the Create Venue option where the course will take place. To do this, click on New and enter the required details including venue name, venue type, venue contact person, venue email, venue phone, venue address, city, upload location images, Google Map direction, and sitting capacity. Once all the information is entered, click Submit. The submitted data will be displayed under the venue name, venue type, city, and action. The action columns allow you to view the venue's details. The final option is Define Induction Courses. It is defining an induction course for a new hires. To begin, click on New. Then enter the required details which include induction name, type, which is in workshop or induction, and eligibility. After filling in the information, click on Save. The entire data will be displayed under the induction name, type, eligibility, and actions. In the action section, two additional options will appear which are Edit and Map Course. In the Map Course option, you can add the course timing details, select the course name, then specify the start day, start time, and end time. If the course is active, select the corresponding checkbox and click on Save to complete the process. Now we will move on the second part available to the LMS admin, which is training session. In this section, the admin can create new sessions, enroll learners, and also mark their attendance. The first feature of the training session is create training sessions. To add a new session, you must complete 3 steps. The first step is session creation, where you need to fill in the details such as session details, venue, trainer, enrollment, and session timing. The second step involves session completion, where you must define the session order, session timing, minimum and maximum learning range, assessment questionnaire, minimum passing score, and maximum attempts. You can also preview your questionnaire and add new rows if needed, and then click on Submit. The final step is session logistics, where you can enter the items that will be provided during the course. After completing and submitting all 3 steps, the data will be displayed under the learning session name, venue, primary trainer, session start, and action. The action columns allow you to view the data submitted. Through the session enrollment, you can view which employee have been enrolled in a particular course. If needed, you can also enroll employees. Additionally, by selecting an employee, you can notify them about their course status. To retrieve employee data, first select the session name and the enrollment type from the drop-down menu. The information will be then displayed, including the participant's full name, employee code, status, designation, date of joining, and action column. To unenroll employees, simply select their name and click on Enroll. The trainer calendar allows you to view both current and past training sessions conducted by a particular trainer. To begin, select the trainer's name from the drop-down menu. The session data will then be displayed, including the session name, session start and end date, location, total learners, and action. From the action column, you can complete the session process. In the past training session, you can review sessions previously conducted by the trainer. After selecting the trainer's name from the drop-down menu, the system will display details such as session name, session start and end date, location, attendance, and action. Additionally, you can view trainer session in calendar format by clicking on the calendar view option. Moving forward, the venue calendar provides a calendar view of the scheduled session for a specific venue. To access it, simply select the venue name from the drop-down menu. The corresponding session data will be displayed in the calendar format for easy reference. To mark attendance, first upload the attendance sheet and select the session name in the Mark Attendance section. FlexiEle provides a pre-created attendance template which can be downloaded by clicking on Download Template. After uploading the sheet and selecting the session, click on Submit. The data will be displayed under Employee Name, Attendance Status, Feedback, and Action. You can mark attendance as present or absent for a particular employee or in bulk by using the Mark Present or Mark Absent option available at the top right corner. You can also filter employee data using the Employee filter. To do this, enter the session name and employee number without any comma. The filter data will appear on your screen. The last feature of LMS admin is training request. This feature is intended for employees who have requested session or courses. The card is divided into two sections. The first section displays the sessions or the courses requested by the user. The data is shown in the following fields: session name, type, employee, status, and action. To help employees stay informed about the newly available trainings, there is a second section called New Training. This section displays information in fields name, employee, and action. Thank you for being with us. We hope this walkthrough helps kickstart your learning journey with confidence. We will be back soon with more helpful content, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. See you in the next one.